Sean, wake up.
Where are we?
Sean, we are in our new studio. It's been 5 months since we recorded a video. Let's go.
Get Alex to do it.
Alex.
I repeat myself when under stress.
Alex.
I repeat myself when under stress. I
Alex.
repeat my... Yeah? Oh. Hey, Lindsey.
It is time to start making videos for Copy That again.
Ooh, I don't know. I'm pretty busy right now. Have you talked to Rod?
Let me call him. Rod, hey, what's the plan for Copy That?
Well, you know, we did make that big free mega course that's dropping in late April.
Right, no one's gonna have a better beginner's course than us. But what's next? What's after that?
Well, I was thinking we could make videos that no other YouTuber can. High quality stuff that taps our networks in both direct response and brand advertising. We could be the Veritasium of the copywriting education space.
Right, so that people can consider us a go-to source, whether they're just starting their career or in the middle of their career.
Exactly.
Right, but we need to start making some changes in our business in order to do that, and we need to start producing some high-end videos.
Here, I know what to do. Hey, Sean. Fake copywriting gurus with barely any experience are still out there making misleading videos on YouTube.
They're what?
And they're still out there making insane lifestyle promises in their videos and sharing non-compliant testimonials because they don't actually know how to sell without hyperbole. And they're still exploiting the young, ignorant, and vulnerable.
How dare they?
Yeah, Sean, aspiring copywriters need information they can trust that actually helps them learn.
Very well. Copy That is back. Hello, everybody. Everybody, hello. Welcome to Copy That's 4th season. We've been doing a lot of behind-the-scenes stuff, and it's finally time to let you know what we've been working on. So there are a few major changes that are going to affect you, whether you're a casual viewer of this channel or one of our amazing customers, but it's especially relevant to you if you are in our Patreon or you bought our Platinum collection of masterclasses. So first things first, we are revamping our funnel. This is what our funnel looks like right now, as you can see here on the screen. Most of you are here at the top of our funnel, sort of consuming our free videos, starting the work, learning the trade, generally vibing and being awesome. But we have a simple goal as a business, and that is to basically provide the best free resources for new and aspiring copywriters and provide the best paid resources for working and intermediate copywriters. So we have been hard at work making even better, more valuable copywriting and marketing content. And that includes the launch of our free beginner mega course that we've been talking about for a while. Editor Noah, hi. What can folks expect to see in the next few months?
Copywriting persuades a person to take an action either immediately or later on.
When copy attempts to get people to do something immediately, this is called direct response copy.
We are living proof that you can become successful in this career regardless of your age, race, gender, academic credentials, or background.
Or in Sean's case, boldness. Everything you need to be the best copywriter you can be is in here. Well, kinda. It's actually in here. The brain of your reader.
Being a copywriter is the best job in the world.
Yeah, we've spent close to $60,000 making that, and when it's done, it is going to be the most comprehensive introductory course to copywriting and getting clients on YouTube. So get ready, because that is coming out on Thursday, May 1st.
And there's another big change coming too. You see, many of you have probably already been through our free 21-day copywriting course. Basically, we send you a series of emails over 21 days that link to different videos and resources that we've put together to help you launch your copywriting career. Well, with the release of our new copywriting mega course, our old 21-day course is going to evolve too. Instead of being something separate, our 21-day course will become a 30-day companion guide that supplements everything you'll learn in the mega course. It will come complete with brand new resources, cheat sheets, tons of copywriting examples, and specific tasks to keep you accountable and so you can improve your copywriting in a structured way. We really have pulled out all the stops for this. So, if you plan on watching the copywriting mega course, you're also going to want access to this free companion guide. If you want access to it, simply click the link in the description below and sign up to the current 21-day course. If you've signed up for that, we will automatically send you the companion guide when it's ready to release, on the same day we publish the new mega course on YouTube. And in the meantime, you can go through the 21-day course, which is still stuffed full of helpful resources. If you're already on the Copy That email list, meaning you've already signed up to the 21-day course before, then don't worry, we'll send you the new companion guide anyway, so there's no need to sign up again. Just like the mega course, this new companion guide has taken us months to compile. We cannot wait for you to get your hands on it. And just to remind you, this is all completely free.
Now, when it comes to our paid products, we often get asked the difference between our Patreon and the Platinum Collection. Both contain the deep dives and masterclasses we've made to help you level up your copywriting skill set. And up to this point, both give you access to our bi-monthly Whetstone Wednesday copywriting critiques, where we review your copywriting live and give you feedback to improve. For everyone who signs up after May 1st, our Patreon offer is going to become purely for getting your copy reviewed on our live bi-monthly Whetstone Wednesday streams. Everyone currently paying for the $20 tier, they will continue to get access to everything, the masterclasses in the past and the Whetstone Wednesdays and everything. We're taking nothing away from current members, so you will still get access to all the masterclasses and streams currently on Patreon. But starting May 1st, no one else will be able to get into that $20 tier. So for everyone else in the future, the cost to get your copy reviewed during Whetstone Wednesday, that's going to go up. Our live copywriting critiques are some of the most valuable things that we offer, and we have been massively undercharging for these, considering especially the amount of time and effort that we've been pouring into them. However, we still want to make our masterclasses available at a reasonable price that most working adults can easily afford. So while all the masterclasses currently up on Patreon will be made available for individual purchase, you can still get access to the whole collection of beginner and advanced theory masterclasses on our Platinum Collection, which we're going to keep at a super affordable $20 per month. Now, everyone who bought into the Platinum Collection and has the proper Discord roles that allow them to participate in our Whetstone Wednesday critique streams, they get lifetime access to that. We're not going to strip you away of anything unless your subscription lapses. So the Platinum Collection is just going to basically become purely about theory and advanced knowledge, sort of deep in the weeds stuff that doesn't scale well on YouTube. Now, again, I want to emphasize that these changes are going into effect on May 1st. We want to give everyone a chance to make the appropriate adjustments to their subscriptions if they need to, but that actually gives you an opportunity if you are not a member of Patreon right now. If you want to get in before our Patreon price goes up on May 1st, you can get access at the current price to all the masterclasses and resources that are currently up there, as well as access to Whetstone Wednesday reviews in perpetuity as long as you maintain your membership. It's honestly the second best deal we've ever run, so consider taking advantage of it if you can afford it and it aligns with your copywriting, learning, and career goals. Don't just do it if you are a true newbie or if it puts you in any sort of financial strain. Now, I'm telling you all this to be completely transparent about how we do business and pay for all this stuff. If you've seen our How Copywriting Gurus Scam You video, the lack of transparency and the misleading claims gurus make are really the biggest gripe that we have with the other people teaching copywriting on YouTube. Selling courses is fine. Lying to people to sell a course is not, which is why we always try to be as honest with you as possible, and also why we tell you that you shouldn't buy our stuff if you are not ready or you can't afford it. We always try to be transparent and honest with you about what we're doing. And to that end, that takes me to our final big change happening on May 1st. We are scrubbing this YouTube channel. We want to make sure that this channel hosts content that legitimately helps people advance and learn copywriting. And we want to remake our old content that we think we can improve or pack with more value, or at least re-record with better audio. Simply put, we don't want to be a content mill and pump out the same few videos every few days. We don't want people to have to scroll through dozens of videos to find what they're looking for. And we don't want to put out 7 videos about email marketing. If we want to make an introduction to email copy, we want to make the video about email copy that no one else could possibly match in quality or substance. So, in addition to us releasing regular videos again, we will also occasionally release videos in our Pro series. High effort and high production videos that drill down on specific concepts or types of copy. I am working on a few right now that span topics from AI copywriting to copywriting idea and angle generation to what it actually takes to get rich as a copywriter. Nobody actually sort of pulls back the curtain on that one. Like, for example, Alex and I are actually going to a chateau in Paris to film some of this stuff. We are pulling out all of the stops, and we really hope that you benefit from it. Of course, after we clean up the old videos from our channel, we will stick the archive of our old stuff in the Platinum Collection. So if anyone is interested in watching videos filmed with a literal potato instead of a camera, it'll be available for you. But yeah, we covered the funnel revamp. The companion guide will replace our 21-day free course for people on our email list. The Patreon will be for critiques, and the Platinum Collection will be for masterclasses and resources. The cost of the Patreon is going up, and we are going to scrub old videos from this channel. That's all happening May 1st. Links for everything I talked about are in the description. In the meantime, remember to read a piece of copy per day, practice writing at least one page of copy per day, and write down one idea per day. Remember not to buy anything online that makes unrealistic promises or over-relies on money-making or lifestyle claims. And remember to pet your dog, read a good book every once in a while, tell your parents you love and appreciate them, exercise, eat well, and get good sleep. That's it for now. I will see you soon.